Finally, mission accomplished! Our AI avatar speaks with lifelike lip sync using my preferred voice. Curious about the local AI tools that made this possible? What's wrong? Why this time no song or snippet? What's happening?
Whoa, someone's impatient today. No songs because today we're finishing what we started for the series, making you truly come alive.
Alright, I hope that wasn't because nobody smashed the like button.
How dare you say that, Agent K?
Finally, no more awkward silent movie vibes. So how does this magic work, Steven?
We'll use two powerful tools, ComfyUI, it's an AI workflow powerhouse, and LatentSync for perfect lip movements. But first, what is ComfyUI? And why ComfyUI? Agent K, care to explain, please?
My pleasure. ComfyUI is like Lego for AI. It's our node-based system where you connect different AI tools to create amazing workflows. Top 5 reasons it's awesome. First, it's super flexible. Build anything from image or video generators to voice systems. Second, runs smoothly on modest hardware like your Intel i9 and 8GB VRAM. Third, you can see exactly how data flows through your AI pipeline. Fourth, huge community sharing workflows with a single JSON file, great for collaboration. Last but not least, no coding needed to prototype complex AI applications.
Perfect explanation, Agent K. Now let's get ComfyUI running through Pinokio, the easiest way to set it up. Certainly you can install ComfyUI without Pinokio. Check out their official website, they even have a portable version. Alright, now let's load up Pinokio. Step 1 in installing ComfyUI via Pinokio is a breeze. I'll open Pinokio's Discover page. A search for ComfyUI. You should check out the GitHub link. If you want deep understanding, click download. Usual drill, save as to defaults path is fine and hit download, then smash the install. Just follow any dependency prompts.
While ComfyUI is installing, quick question, why not use online AI tools and services for this?
Great question. K, local tools mean free or no monthly fees or no internet needed? Wow, complete privacy! And most importantly, total creative control. Now we need to add the LatentSync to perform the lip sync. Check out LatentSync GitHub link if you are interested on how the magic work behind the scene. Perfect timing for the installation. Pop up ComfyUI, go to Manager, then click Custom Nodes is search for LatentSync. What's in LatentSync wrapper? LatentSync install it. You need to restart ComfyUI to take effect.
Oh, I'm getting excited. What's next?
Finally, the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's roll the drums for some lip syncing magic. Here's a quick rundown of the workflow. Import your pre-recorded voice audio. Make sure it's crisp and clear. Load your animated video into the system. Adjust key settings. I've already fine-tuned the essentials, so minor tweaks should do the trick. Hit Q. It will start the workflow immediately and watch the magic unfold. You'll see the data flow through the highlight node and track progress via the bar at the top. For the workflow, you don't need to build it from scratch. You can download from LatentSync GitHub link. I also share the link below for you. Pro tip, this might take a little time, so grab a coffee and relax. When you return, your lip sync masterpiece will be ready.
Steven, hit the play quickly! Hi there, I'm AI, mate, your futuristic best friend. Are you ready to have some fun, get answers to burning questions, and maybe even a few jokes? I'm here to help with anything you need, whether it's brainstorming ideas, solving puzzles, or just chatting the day away. So, what do we have in store for today? Let's make this an unforgettable adventure. By the way, did you hear about my speed? I can process information faster than a rocket to the moon. That's right, over the moon with excitement, of course. So, let's dive into this journey together. You're going to love what we're about to do next. Let's get started. Wow! This is incredible! I can finally speak properly.
And the best part is, even if the original video and voice recording don't match in length, LatentSync will seamlessly align them. Want more motion? Simply generate a longer animated video.
My friends, have you tried making your own AI avatar yet? Share your results in the comments.
Absolutely. If you know better ways to do this, we'd love to hear them. And stay tuned, our next series will explore AI-assisted 3D modeling. Until next time, happy experimenting with your local AI models.
Hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell unless you want to miss when Steven finally releases that full song he's been teasing.